Do you want to hide likes on Instagram Reels? You can hide like count on your Instagram Reels video with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To hide the like count on Instagram Reels. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. At the top of your Instagram profile, tap on the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Reel. Next, a new screen will appear showing photos and videos from your device gallery. Select a video you want to post as a Reel on Instagram. Once selected, you'll enter the editing screen where you can add stickers, text, music, and other effects. After completing your edits, tap Next. On the next screen, scroll down to the bottom and tap on More Options. Here, you'll see various settings. Enable the toggle switch next to hide like count on this Reel. Finally, share your Reel with your followers. They won't be able to see the number of likes on your Reel video.